All right, our next guest is whipping up a revolution in kitchen culture with a background in professional cooking. Designer, author, host, Ellen Marie Bennett is an aficionado in glowing up your kitchen before you put on the apron. Today, she's helping us organize some of our essentials to make cooking a lot easier. So joining us now is Ellen Marie Bennett. So welcome.
Thanks for having
you
me.
on the show. You're a pro.
Yes.
In organizing and all of this. How did you get to where you are?
I loved cooking. I was cooking professionally, and I just saw the opportunity to make better uniforms for the restaurant industry. And that started 12 years ago, and here we are today. 7,000 restaurants later, we make some of the best kitchen gear out there. And now I have a show called Kitchen Glow Up, where I'm bringing it into people's kitchens, homes.
Wow.
Small kitchens, on a budget, New York rentals. We're gonna show you how to set it all up so that you are cooking like a professional at home.
Wait a minute, how many restaurants?
7,000.
7,000.
Yes.
Well, you're definitely an expert. So my kitchen does not look anything like this. But let's start then with the spices.
All right. So everybody's seen this on Pinterest and you're like, yeah, that's cute. I'm not talking about cute. I'm talking about functional.
Okay.
You want to change the spices you have in your drawer, because I'm sure you open it up and everything's just chaos, right?
Yeah.
100 different labels. You don't know when you bought it, how old it is. So we're stepping it up by decanting it, changing the bottle, clear labels so you know when you bought it, and then you see how much is actually in each container, right?
Okay, perfect.
If you can see it, you can use it. If you don't see it, you're probably gonna throw it away, or it's gonna expire by the time you use it.
And it really is important to look at the expiration date, isn't
Very
it? Because some
important.
people are like, spices don't go bad.
Correct. Yeah, they do. And all of these different accessories, they're bought online, very inexpensive. You put them in drawers. These connect to each other.
Wait,
and so you can just lay them inside your drawer. Like this is connected to this, connected to that, so it just stacks like a little staircase.
So you just open up your drawer and
it's
voila.
all there.
Super
Very simple. I'm
organized.
talking about this probably costs $30, $40 max.
Wow, really?
Yeah, it's really inexpensive. You can do it on a budget. Being organized, being professional does not mean spending a ton of money.
Doesn't need to cost a lot.
No, it doesn't. Okay, so then the next section, I bet you have a terrible Tupperware drawer too.
With no
watching you at
lids, nothing matches.
Exactly. So in professional kitchens, everything is all about structure, efficiency, saving time. And so here what I did was I took these little guys. Everybody can buy these at a local store, right? Mason jars. These are great for saving soups, stews, large volumes of liquid for prepping meals.
Okay.
Then get consistent containers. Don't have 5 different brands of deli cups. Get one type and stick to it. I have one here, right? This is a Pyrex, and I have it in 3 different sizes. Here's the 3 lids. So easy. Then when you're putting things away, they just nest into each other. You stick it in a drawer, and that's it. And this guy you're gonna love.
The dividers.
This is a drawer insert you can get online. Super inexpensive. We use this on every single kitchen that I did on the show, Kitchen Glow Up, in people's regular drawers. We weren't doing any crazy overhauls. We were just putting this in. It blends in. I bet you didn't even notice it was in here.
No.
Right? It looks so good. And it's a way to divide your drawer in a very cost-effective way.
And you can have many divisions because you could put as many of these dividers in there.
Exactly. I don't know if you guys can see this, but everything is separated into little sections, and it's just so easy to find. So no matter who's at your house, your aunt, your nanny, your sister, they know where things go because it's a universal system. That's the thing about professional kitchens.
I think I need a lock, though, on this drawer because usually these little containers turn into containers for slime instead of food. Just saying.
Same at my house.
And finally, the knives.
Last but not least, these are Hedley and Bennett knives. This is my brand, and these are knives we developed with professional chefs, and we created this little system here. You can put it on your counter. So instead of having random knives shoved in a drawer, which is totally dangerous, you can put them on here, and it's magnetic.
I love that it's magnetic.
And they just go up against the wall, but not on the wall. If you have a rental, you can't actually, screw into the wall sometimes.
Exactly.
So in this case, you just put it there, reach, pull them off as needed, and these are the 3 core essential knives you need for a kitchen. Bread knife, utility knife, and a chef's knife.
And
That's
I
it.
like
You don't need anything
also
else.
that it's very slim.
Yes.
So that you can kind of even just slide it in between
100%.
containers.
Yes.
I love that. Well, thank you so much. Really great ideas.
Yeah.
Appreciate having you here.
I hope you go home and glow up your kitchen.
I'm going to glow up my kitchen right now.